Welcome, fearless explorers. We've ventured deep into the E-mini S&P 500 jungle, where every price swing is a lurking predator and the vines of volatility threaten to slow us down. Grab your binoculars and let's hack through the undergrowth to unearth the watering holes, our key levels, and dodge the beasts stalking our profits. Key buy and sell levels, or ranges value area high, VAH, 5,565.19. The upper canopy where most trades feasted, 85th percentile of recent closes. Value area low, VAL, 5,547.74. The dense underbrush where 70% of activity slumbers, 15th percentile. Point of control, POC, 5,551.25, the tallest termite mound, where price ants march most often, mode of recent closes, single prints, rare footprints, 5,564.50, 5,549.75, 5,536.50, 5,556.25, 5,546.25. Price levels with just one 15-minute print, like fleeting animal tracks, signaling thin areas ripe for quick hunts. Market context. Over the last 5 hours, 4 a.m. to 9 a.m. ET, prices have carved a range from a low of 5,521.50 to a high of 5,571.25. But the real story is in the undergrowth. The net cumulative volume delta, CVD, has plunged by minus 12,940, with sellers roaring louder than buyers, minus 21,151 NATO versus plus 8211. That speaks of a bearish trek. Venture cautiously if you're headed north. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Enter near vol, approximately 5,547.74, or the hard support tree at 5,521.50, but set a safety net, stop, just below 5,521.50, e.g., 5,516.50, in case a stealthy panther breakdown strikes. Short trades. Ambush near VAH, approximately 5,565.19, or atop the range high at 5,571.25, with a stop above the treetops, around 5,576.25, to avoid being blindsided by a sudden rally. Potential scenarios. Bullish breakout, river crossing. If price busts above VAH, 5,565.19, with CVD turning positive, we cross the river into fresh territory. Look for a run toward 5,590 plus as the next oasis. Bearish rejection, predator pounce. A rejection at VAH or POC coupled with continued negative CVD hints at a long hunt downward. Targets of 5,521.50 and below beckon. Divergence setup, camouflage trap. Watch for price to dip to new lows, 5,521.50, while CVD becomes less negative, buyers lurking in the shadows, signaling a surprise ambush to the upside. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume delta. Net CVD. Minus 12,940 over last 5 hours. Minus 21,151 versus. Plus 8211 confirms sellers prowling the jungle floor. Volume clusters. Strong negative spikes around 5,550 to 5,540 suggest heavy distribution zones. Beware rallies into these feeding grounds. Trade setup. If price revisits 5, 5, 4, 0 to 5, 5, 5, 0. But CVD fails to extend further negative. We may trap shorts. Prime ground for a quick long swing with tight stops. Stay sharp, explorers. One misstep, and the markets can eat you alive. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.